how to put some bungee cords in your truck to hang your fishing poles. In a 2007 Trailblazer, all I did was use a number 8 socket, unloose this nut, turn this around, my clothes hanger that's in the back, turned it around because normally this will come off, but this catches the hook so it won't come off. Then I use the hangers in my middle, my second row seats, and these are 3 feet long bungee cords. Got from Walmart, like $2.87, 2 come in a pack. I'm gonna double up this one right here. Doubling this up. I hope this come out to be long enough. Oh. Had a screwy thing just happen there. Forgot to doggone tighten that back up real well like I did this side. But what I'm gonna do is stick my poles through these, and it should sit snug, hopefully. And voila. Didn't have to have this extra bungee cord, but since I had it, I just set it up there for extra little support. But the butt sits in the rope part. This is like my 6'6" pole. I think that's like a 5'6", and it's the little short 4'6" pole. My 6'6" reaches all the way up to the top, bends a little. My 5'6", and then my little 4'6". All right, that's it. Easy as pie.